This house belonged to late Chief Colins Obi, or Chaya Dikenafai, the Ozoigbondu, the man who gave Igbo people hope immediately after the war. Ask me why. He was the one who gave Igbo people loans. Immediately, we lost everything during the war. There was no hope. There was nowhere to start after they gave us 20 pounds, right? But late Chief Colins Obi started giving people loans without collateral. And it helped Igbo people to rebuild. That's why you see immediately after the war, 1971, 72, 73, we have the life of billionaires springing out all Igbo lands. It's because of this great man. You know, creative loyalty, we don't show you or we don't tell you what we don't know. You see? So this is a real history in his hometown. And come, let me show you. See, look at the man we are talking about, the great man. See, Chief Colins Kenneth Obi, or Chaya 1 Dikenafai, born 21st September 1929 and died 9th May 1990. A husband too dear, a father too great. This man was not only great, he was national treasure. He built the banking sector. He gave hope to Igbos where there was no hope. This man built many people. He was friends, the like of K.O. Mbadiwe, Ojukwu, Sam Mbakwe, Ugo Fom was his best friend. Like Shehu Shagada and Co. Those prominent people. In short, that time, like in 70s, you cannot be influencer or rich without being friend to Chief Colins Obi. Can't you see where man? Not possible. You know what now? He later contested for governor. And many things. Look at his first house. He built this house before the war. After the war, before he built this one. And this is his hometown, Dikenafai. If I go to Dobro Tata Kendi Bobido Robono, check Kolaro before the war. In Afia, and everything intact. The block, the window, and everything. The same thing now, Debe Rota in Aota. So Onya no Bia bro. Obro is a man. I don't think we still have such people currently. I don't know. But this is Great Lord TV. And I will tell you the history you don't know. The original Ozoigbondu, that's the man we are talking about. Yes, Ozoigbondu. Obro no. The name Ozoigbondu, Bonakonya Kobido. So anywhere you see Ozoigbondu, know that it was Chief Colins Obi in Aotana or Chaya Dikenafai. Only state. That be a now in Afia. So in a phone, they go to the Zinka. In